showing hello. Yunu mudasike masa naga vogi gugwini. Today we are going to be learning numbers from 100 to 1000. Enjoy your learning. 100 in Birom is naga gwini. 200 naga biba. 300 naga bitat. 400 naga binas. 500 naga bitumun. 600 naga bitimin. 700 naga bitama. 800 naga rit. 900 naga shatat, and 1000 is gwini. Now from what I've written here, if you take these numbers from here, it gives you your 1 to 10. Gwini is 1, biba 2, bitat 3, binas 4, bitumun 5, bitimin 6, bitama 7, rit is 8, shatat is 9, and then kuru or rikuru is 10. Okay, so when you apply them to naga, it simply gives you 100 to 1000. All right, we'll be stopping here for today. Hope to see you in our next class. Bye.